A groundbreaking study has revealed that vitamin D supplementation, particularly when taken daily, could play a crucial role in reducing cancer-related deaths. This research adds to the growing body of evidence supporting the idea that adequate vitamin D levels may not only contribute to overall health but also serve as a protective factor against the progression of certain types of cancer. Cancer remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, with millions of new cases diagnosed each year. While medical advancements have improved survival rates for some types of cancer, the search for effective, accessible, and low-cost preventive strategies continues. Scientists have long explored the role of various nutrients in cancer prevention, with vitamin D being a focus due to its involvement in cell growth regulation, immune function, and inflammation reduction. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin because the body naturally produces it when exposed to sunlight. It is also found in some foods, including fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products, though dietary sources are often insufficient to maintain optimal levels. Supplementation has become a common method for individuals seeking to maintain adequate levels, particularly in regions with limited sunlight exposure. The latest study, conducted over several years and involving a large sample of participants, aimed to determine whether vitamin D supplementation had a measurable impact on cancer mortality rates. The results showed a clear association between regular vitamin D intake and a reduction in deaths caused by cancer. Importantly, the benefits were most pronounced in individuals who took vitamin D consistently over time rather than intermittently or in high-dose bolus form. Researchers believe that vitamin D exerts its protective effects through several mechanisms. One of the key functions of this nutrient is its ability to regulate cell growth and differentiation. Cancer develops when cells begin to divide uncontrollably, forming tumors that can spread throughout the body. Vitamin D interacts with specific receptors on cells, influencing their behavior and potentially slowing the growth of malignant cells. Another crucial aspect of vitamin D's role in cancer prevention is its impact on the immune system. The immune system is the body's primary defense against abnormal cell growth, and vitamin D enhances its ability to detect and eliminate potentially cancerous cells. Additionally, vitamin D is known to reduce chronic inflammation, a condition that has been linked to an increased risk of various cancers. Chronic inflammation can create an environment conducive to tumor growth by damaging DNA and promoting the proliferation of abnormal cells. Beyond these mechanisms, vitamin D also appears to influence angiogenesis, the process by which tumors develop new blood vessels to sustain their growth. By inhibiting this process, vitamin D may help restrict the supply of nutrients to cancerous cells, thereby slowing their progression. One of the most compelling aspects of this research is the potential for widespread public health benefits. Unlike expensive treatments that may only be accessible to certain populations, vitamin D supplementation is relatively inexpensive and widely available. If further studies continue to support its role in cancer prevention and improve survival rates, vitamin D could become a key component of public health initiatives aimed at reducing cancer-related deaths. However, while the findings are promising, researchers caution that vitamin D should not be viewed as a standalone cure or replacement for established cancer treatments. Rather, it may serve as a complementary approach that enhances the body's natural defenses and supports overall health. Physicians emphasize the importance of maintaining adequate vitamin D levels through a combination of sensible sun exposure, a balanced diet, and supplementation when necessary. The study also raises important questions about the optimal dosage of vitamin D for cancer prevention. Current guidelines for vitamin D intake are based primarily on bone health considerations, but emerging research suggests that higher doses may be beneficial for other aspects of health, including cancer prevention. Some experts argue that existing recommendations may be too conservative and that individualized dosing based on blood levels should be considered. Concerns have also been raised about the potential risks of excessive vitamin D intake. While vitamin D toxicity is rare, it can occur when supplementation leads to dangerously high calcium levels in the blood, causing symptoms such as nausea, kidney problems, and cardiovascular issues. To mitigate this risk, experts recommend periodic monitoring of vitamin D levels, especially for individuals taking high doses over extended periods. Another critical factor to consider is the potential interaction between vitamin D and other nutrients. Magnesium, for example, plays a crucial role in vitamin D metabolism, and deficiencies in this mineral may limit the effectiveness of supplementation. Likewise, vitamin K2 has been suggested to work synergistically with vitamin D in regulating calcium metabolism, highlighting the complexity of nutritional interactions. The broader implications of this study extend beyond cancer prevention. Vitamin D has been linked to a range of health benefits, including improved immune function, reduced risk of autoimmune diseases, and better cardiovascular health. Some researchers are even exploring its potential role in neurological disorders, metabolic conditions, and mental health. Given its wide-ranging effects, ensuring adequate vitamin D levels could be a fundamental strategy for maintaining overall well-being. As scientific understanding of vitamin D continues to evolve, the findings of this study contribute to a growing consensus that this nutrient plays a vital role in health beyond its traditional association with bone strength. With cancer rates continuing to rise globally, cost-effective and accessible preventive measures like vitamin D supplementation could have a significant impact on public health. The next steps in research will likely focus on refining dosage recommendations, identifying which populations stand to benefit the most, and exploring the interactions between vitamin D and other dietary factors. Clinical trials investigating vitamin D's impact on specific types of cancer may provide more detailed insights into its potential as a preventive and supportive measure. For now, the message is clear: maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is an important aspect of overall health, with potential benefits that extend to cancer prevention. While more research is needed to establish definitive guidelines, the findings provide strong support for incorporating vitamin D into a holistic approach to disease prevention and health optimization. Public awareness of the role of vitamin D in health continues to grow, and this study may encourage more individuals to consider their vitamin D status as part of their preventive health strategy. Healthcare providers are likely to see increased interest in vitamin D testing and supplementation, and public health officials may take a closer look at how to incorporate these findings into broader health recommendations. The implications of this research extend beyond individual health decisions to potential policy changes. Governments and health organizations may consider revising dietary guidelines, increasing recommendations for routine vitamin D testing, or even implementing fortification programs to ensure that populations receive adequate levels of this essential nutrient. With a growing body of evidence supporting the health benefits of vitamin D, the conversation around its role in cancer prevention and overall well-being is likely to continue. Whether through sun exposure, diet, or supplementation, ensuring sufficient vitamin D levels may prove to be one of the most accessible and impactful steps individuals can take in the fight against cancer. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed insights on health and longevity. What are your thoughts on vitamin D's role in cancer prevention? Have you checked your levels recently? Thanks for watching.